This is maintaining PCs, and this is how to put a PC together. First, let's start with the motherboard. Slightly placed in here. You have to screw it in. You got to lay it on the right screw areas. Get it lined up right here with these golden knobs that you have under here.
Yeah.
So lay on it. Put that in there. And we have to do then is screw it. Just screw it. That's all I have to do. Screw this motherboard in. Alright. First screw in. One down. Now you will not have to screw in all the motherboard areas, just where the gold screws were. So you kind of have to remember where they were placed on your motherboard. Which will be next. So we got 3 more to go. This is a little more difficult in here. There you go. I got it in. Thanks, Andy. Alright. Just keep on screwing a little bit longer and we'll be done. We're putting in the MOBO. Alright, final screw job. It's been too long. It's been too long. Alright, there we go. Let's see if we got this. And kablamo. This right here is the processor. So this is how we install it. Gold corner, little gold triangle right there. Goes pointing this away. Kind of sit in there so it doesn't jostle around at all. So that doesn't move. Watch out for the thermal paste. Now when you get that on your teeth, press the lever down. It should be locked in place. No longer be able to move. Now this is our heat sink, so we'll have to put this over the processor. So this is how we do it. Press both of these out. So there's somewhat butterfly wing over. Slide it in. This. Gotta set it on the corners, which we're having difficulty with right now. But we will soon get. Alright, there you go. Now you open both of those up. Open, lock into place. Get this in there. Lock into place. And there you go, your heat sinks in. Then you connect this cord right here of the heat sink right next to this little in there. There you go. And that's how you connect the heat sink. Is the graphics card. And this is how you do it. So you're just gonna push forward this lever. Make sure the grooves line up. Slide that down. Push forward the lever a little bit. Clamp. Gonna be in place. This is the input, outputs over here. Outside the case. the graphics card. Lines up perfectly. Got that in. Later you can screw it in if it's not secure enough. Just kind of, there you go. You can screw that in right there. We'll later do that. Alright.
This is the RAM, and this is how it goes in. You see this right here? It goes into here. So you have to make sure it's in the right way. So if you don't, it won't be right. So let's see it. You gotta push down. When you hear the clap, I mean disconnect it.
This right here is the hard drive.
There it is.
And I'm going to show you how to put it in. Alright, first of all, the connector ports, make sure those are facing that way so they're not in like this. So you're going to put it in with the screw side, matching this. Slide it in. Get it right about there. Get the screwdriver and the screws. Screw it in. Nice and tight. Don't want it loosey, you know. Got the second one coming in here. Alright, successfully screwed in. We'll show you how to connect it later on. This is the DVD drive, and this is how you install it. First, put it in from the front. Make sure that it gets flush with the front and that you just don't shove it way in the back like that, because I mean that would look really weird. Make sure it's flush. Get the screws and screwdriver. Go from the top. You're gonna just screw it in pretty much. Okay, first screw in place. Take another screw. Screw it in over here just to make sure you get it nice and tight, that it doesn't move on you. Second screw, just put it right above it. And the last and final screw goes in right here. And that's how you connect the DVD drive.
Part 3. This is how you connect the power supply. Okay, let's see. So we got this here. Turn, nope, keep it like this. We go like this. This side here, I think. Nope. This way. There we go. Come on. There we go. Connect that right there, okay? So we go to the back. And you see these 4 screws here. So we connect these 4 screws into these 4 holes. So we go first one. Make sure it's tight. Don't leave no looseness in there. You know what I'm saying? We got the top one. Screw it in. Tight. We got this third one out of 4. There it is. Kids, don't try this at home ever. Oh, nope.
Oh, look at that grab.
And the 4th one, right there. Nope. Come on, screw. No. Come on. Keep dropping the screws, man. You know how they are these days. So little. Can't get a grip to it. There it is. Screw on tight. And now we connect these things right here.
This is how to connect the DVD drive. First of all, take this, match it up with the corresponding prongs. When you get it, just pop it in there. Actually, I'm going to turn it around because it just looks weird. So, go this way. Alright, pop it back in there. Take this side, match it up. Pop it in there. Careful with your motherboard so you don't break it. Alright, and the last part, need the power connector to go to this. So you just match up the 4 prongs, pop it in there. Other way. And that's how you work a DVD drive. This is how you connect the hard drive, power switch, the reset switch, and power LEDs. Alright, so right here, have the hard drive LED, goes onto this one right here. Make sure that the, I don't know what you call this, but it's like goldish side matches up with this side. And just slide it on. Okay, take the not the power switch, the reset switch, goes right next to it, same way. Alright, then you have the power LED that is 3 prongs, matches up with the 3 prong obviously, so it goes right there. Then you got the power switch, which pops on right there. And that's how you connect those. This is how you connect the hard drive. First, as in the DVD drive, take the connector, connect it to the back of the hard drive. Okay. Okay, once that's not done. Okay, once that's done, take the other side, find another motherboard, match it up, get it in there. Kind of like handy. Alright, and after that, gotta find the power cord to connect the hard drive, which is this prong, 4 prong thing. Matches up right there. Get it in. Oh, that's how you connect the hard drive. This is how you connect the hard drive, power switch. This is how you connect the hard drive.
Open